Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the concepts of opportunity cost and marginal opportunity cost. We have studied about central problems of an economy, that is allocation of resources, fuller utilization of resources, and growth of resources. Then we studied how these problems can be explained with the help of production possibility curve. So today we are going to study opportunity cost. Opportunity cost refers to the value of a factor in its next best alternate use. For example, a farmer is having a piece of land. He can grow either wheat or rice on that piece of land, and if he calculates the value of wheat or rice, then he finds that after the sale of rice he will be able to get rupees 10,000, whereas after the sale of wheat he shall get 8,000. So it is a matter of common sense. Farmer will decide in the favor of rice. So in this example, the opportunity cost of producing rice is the amount of wheat, that is rupees 8,000, sacrificed by the farmer. So opportunity cost is the value of a factor in its next best alternate use. One more example is given here. Study the example and find the opportunity cost of a producing of commodity. Now we have to study the concept of marginal opportunity cost. Marginal opportunity cost is also known as marginal rate of transformation. Along a PPC, more production of one commodity means some sacrifice of other commodity. The rate of this sacrifice is called marginal opportunity cost. In other words, it is defined as the amount sacrificed of other good per unit increase in the production of a good in question, or marginal rate of transformation is the ratio of units of one good sacrificed to produce one more unit of other good. It can be calculated by a formula: loss of output in use 1 divided by gain of output in use 2. Because PPC is concave to origin, so marginal opportunity cost is increasing. Now you look at the example. Producer has combinations of two commodities. Production of X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Production of Y 10,000, 9,000, 7,500 and 5,500. If we want to produce one more unit of commodity X, that is from 0 to 1, then he has to sacrifice 1,000 units of commodity Y. So amount sacrificed is 1,000 upon amount gain, it is 1. So opportunity cost of producing one unit of commodity X will be 1,000 unit of commodity Y. Similarly, we can calculate the opportunity cost for second and third unit. In second case, in order to produce one more unit of commodity X, that is up to 2 units, he has to further sacrifice 1,500 units of commodity Y. So opportunity cost is here 1,500. Then in the next case, he further want to produce more of X, he has to sacrifice more and more units of Y. So here the marginal opportunity cost shall be 2,000. So it is clear marginal opportunity cost tends to rise. That is because resources are continuously shifted from opportunity 1 to opportunity 2. So their existing specialized use is disturbed. When the specialized use of resources is disturbed, the loss of output must also be increasing. We can understand the concept with the help of diagram. In the diagram, when we want to produce or we want to use the resources in use 2, that is gain of output here is amount BC and loss of output here is AB. Then marginal opportunity cost is equal to loss of output in use 1 divided by gain of output in use 2, that is AB upon BC. So this is how can we calculate marginal opportunity cost. Thank you students.